Hello everyone, this is Leafy Junkie. I thought I'd make a quick update video for Birds of Paradise that I sowed from seeds. At that time, I did actually get rid of the orange tuft. um, yes, there was about a dozen, and luckily, um, there's some successful seedlings from it, and there's about 3 of them, which I find really slow growers. But I'll show you right now. Okay, as you can see, this is the successful seedlings from the pack, and there's 3 of them. One has got already 2 leaves, which is a good sign. And like I said, it's very slow grower. I'm not sure. I think probably take forever before we see like a mature plant. You know, obviously, like the old plant that you get will take about a couple of years, or maybe I think 5 or 6 years before you see the flowers, if you're lucky and getting the right amount of sun brightness. The look, the care, and what, yeah. But I'll just show you. I just thought I'd show you the progress, like an update for these ones. Hopefully in the next 3 months they're still around, and I can do another update then and show you the progress. And I'll just show you quickly my other Birds of Paradise, the big one that I bought, that size. Still doing okay. Some of the tip of the leaves are brown. I think that's just because I might have put so much fertilizer, so I've stopped doing that now, and making sure I water it when it's the soil is totally dry, because apparently they don't like really like soaking wet, because that will make the root rot as well, and it likes moist soil, so just have to kind of watch the soil. But yeah, I thought I'd share an update. Just quickly share again. Baby Paradise, Birds of Paradise. Thanks for watching.